Hello everybody and welcome back. Today what we're going to do a Python program that transforms a text file into a PDF. So we're going to create a PDF file from a text file. So first of all, what we do is we import the time module here. We import the OS module. In fact, do we need the time module? Let's have a look. Do we need the time module? No, I don't think we do, so you don't need to do that. But what you need to do is you want to install this fpdf module in Python. So to install it, all you do is you go to your command prompt and type in pip install fpdf. And what we're going to do is we're going to convert the text file, which I've got somewhere here. This is the text file, and we're going to convert that into a PDF. Okay, so first of all we create a function called text PDF convert. Then we create a variable called PDF and we assign it to fpdf uppercase. Okay, this is part of the module. And then we use pdf.addPage. Then what we do is we create a variable here called path and we assign it to input. And we give the user a prompt, which is C, so they're going to have to type in the path where their file is. And then we use the os.chdr path to change directory into that path. Then what we do here is we create a file name variable and we assign it to input and tell the user to enter a file name. So the user will enter a file name that's in that path. And we're going to do a little evaluation here using the conditional if. So if os.path.exists, the file name, so if the file name that the user typed in up here actually exists, we're going to print a message off to the user, and we're going to use the f string to format the string and interpolate the file name into the string. So it should say if the file name exists, then converting. And here we go, we're going to use the time module here. I didn't think we had that on, but we have. Okay, so you need the time module, import time. So we do time.sleep and we add a value of 1, which is 1 second. So this will pause the program for 1 second. And then we're going to use a for loop. So we say for line in open. So this will open the file name. This will open it and PDF, and we set the font. So we're going to set the font here to Arial and size 16, and then the PDF cell, and we've got the width and the height and everything here. So this is just, it basically just writes the text in lines across the page, and then you go to a new line. And then we do the pdf.output. So we're going to output the file once we've finished, and we give it a name. So it's going to be called new pdf.pdf. Or else, if there's a problem, what we do is we type else here and we print the f string there, and we interpolate the file name into the string doesn't exist. So basically that is just closing this if statement here. And then to call the program, we call it by text PDF convert, which is the name of the program here. So let's go into the folder again. So we've got PDF file in there. We've got some, I think we've got some text in there if I can remember rightly. So let's go back now. Let's run the program. Let's make it a little bit bigger. So the path is going to be C : users mark desktop, and that's going to be, I think it's test. Let's hit enter, and the file name was called links.txt. Let's hit enter. Okay, it exists, so we're converting it. So it should be converted now. So let's go and take a look at that. So where is it? It's down here, isn't it? Yep, it's converted. And let's have a look inside. Yeah, and there we go. So that's been converted there. So we'll just go back to the program, and there you go, folks. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you really enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit the subscription button below. Thank you very much for viewing the channel, and make sure you give it a thumbs up as well, and if you want to, drop me a comment, and I will see you in another video. Bye-bye.